Hello friends, so welcome back again to the Chima Dedicated Video Channel. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. In today's video, I want to show you how to promote your YouTube videos effectively on Pinterest. This is a very practical video, so you're going to follow me. I'm going to use 3 major tools right now. Yes, if you are part of our ongoing class on YouTube content creation and monetization, you would have seen me say something about this. Now, in promoting your video contents on Pinterest, there are so many ways you can do it, but I want to show you one strategy, and it's going to take me involving a graphic design tool like Canva. So I'm going to use Canva. I'm going to use one of my video channel videos on my channel. Then I'm going to use Pinterest. So this is very important. It means that if you're going to do what I'm doing now, number one, you're supposed to have account with Canva. That's free. You're supposed to have account with Pinterest. And it's supposed to be that you're already a YouTuber. You have videos on your channel. So I'm going to take you one after the other. The first thing I'm going to do is this. Now, I want to promote this particular content. Now look at it. This one, a content I have on my YouTube channel. 12 ways to make money writing. That's what I want to promote. I can promote any of my contents, but I want to promote this. So what do? I go to Canva. Watch me right now. I go to Canva. I want to use a Pinterest template. Yes, I don't want to use any kind of graphic. I want to use a Pinterest template. Just let me show you an example of Pinterest template. Are you seeing it? See how it is? Are you seeing Pinterest? Typical Pinterest template. That is this. It is much more effective than using any kind of graphic kind of dimension or whatever. So this is a typical Pinterest template. So that's what I want to use right away. And I want to promote this video, 12 ways to make money writing. So watch what I'm going to do. So all I'm going to do here, I'm going to look for a Pinterest template here, either by typing it on this search button. I type it. If I search around on this side, I'm going to find it, but I just want to type it so that it will be easier for me. I type to search for it. They are coming up. Just watch. Whether you are using a mobile or a desktop, a laptop like I'm using now, you are going to get all of this. Now you can see, these are Pinterest templates. I hope you are seeing it. That's exactly the best you can use for this, I tell you. Now, you can see some of them are not free, like this ones you are seeing, they are pro versions. You need to pay for it. Please make sure, except you are ready to pay, make sure you choose the one that are free. Like this one is free. There are so many of them that are free. That's my interest. I'm going to choose the one that is free and that is good, and I think it's okay for me. So let me just quickly do this. Let me use this. I can always change the colors and all that. So let me use this. I click on it. I click on it. It's okay. Now I'm going to take my time and make this design. If you know how to do this, it's very, very simple, very, very easy. So you can also see how many people that they are showing me so many other ways, other templates that are related I can use. Look at this. I can decide to even use this. So I'm going to use one of them. After I design, I'm going to show you the next step. Let's go on right now. Now I've designed the graphic. There's the Pinterest templates. Just, this is a practical video. I just want to do this. It may not be the finest and all that. Now I will download this in my system. Once I go here now, click on download. I'll download it on the system. So once I download on the system, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my YouTube and copy that particular video link I want to share. Just watch what I do right away. Okay, this is the video. So I go here now and click on share. When I click on share, I'm just giving you an example of how these things are being done. So once you learn it, you learn it. I click on share, you can see there is a link to the video. So I copied it, it's already copied. Now having copied it, I can now go out the way. I will now go to Pinterest. Now let's go there and see what to do next. Okay, now having downloaded the graphic, having copied the link from the channel, the video I want to share, I head over to Pinterest. Now, while I'm here now, all of this is what I see on my boards. That's why if you follow our training, I talk about creating bots. This is a cryptocurrency YouTube, because these are some of the things I do online. I have also a math channel, so anytime I want to share anything I have to do with maths from that channel on Pinterest, I'm going to share it on my mathematics class board. That is how you divide all of these things. Now, I'm going to click on create. Watch. It's only the pattern I'm using. I'm clicking on create. Let's see how it goes right now. Now, because I'm sharing a video that has to do with money making, let me check on a money making board. Okay, make money easy. So I click on create. Just watch out to see what happens. So now, the first thing the system asks is choose a file to upload. That's why I created that file. So I'm going to upload this. I click here, it's going to take me to my system. I will now choose the particular graphic. Now when you get here, you have I've uploaded this. Now I'm going to put a title to this. Put a description, very, very important, because when you share video, there's need for that description. And remember this how to do, this is where search engine optimization comes in. We are putting the description, go straight to the point, something that is going to be related to what you're talking about. So that, because not everybody is going to have time to read so much. The little they read, let it be attractive and enticing. Then I'll add my link, the link I've already copied. From that's my YouTube link. Are you getting it? It could be a YouTube link, it could be a blog site link. Depending on what you want to promote. Remember, this video is all about promoting our YouTube videos. So it could also be about promoting an affiliate link. It could be about promoting a blog post. So whatever link is what I'm going to put here. Now I choose my board. I choose my board. Now this is under, that's why you need to know how to create board. Here you choose your board, then you touch on tag. These are hashtag that have to relate to money making. And once you are done doing that, you now click on publish. These are the basic things. And it's there. So you can do this often and on. Apart from sharing your channel directly to Pinterest, you can do this. This is more effective. Because you're doing this using a complete template for Pinterest. If I share directly from my YouTube, remember that YouTube channel or video, I prepare the thumbnail using the normal YouTube thumbnail template. So it's not going to be like this. But this is exactly a Pinterest template. That's why it's so effective. And you're going to have your time to put in exactly all you need to do, and that's how it works. So let me quickly do my own and now post. At this point, I'm done fixing all of this. Now I'm going to click on publish. It's moving now, warming up the pin machine. You can see the percentages are going. So I'm publishing it. At this point, once you share, you have sent it, it's completed, you have just created it. It's going to be part of all of this. As you see, whatever you are seeing here has been created by others. Like this one now is a website. It's not YouTube. This one you are going to see, you can see it's a YouTube video. This one is not, it's just a blog site or website. So it's blog site. This one is blog site. This one is blog site. This one is Fiverr promotion. That's a kind of affiliate link promotion. Are you getting it? So this is exactly how people promote, and it's so effective. You know why Pinterest is so good in promoting? The way you design Pinterest graphic is good. A lot of people come here, they just want to come and copy this, all this graphic, just to do some other stuff. And so it's so attractive. This one site where people come for graphic show. And so when you post here, you are very sure that your work can easily attract so many viewers who will turn out to become your visitors, whether on your site or your YouTube videos. And that's how powerful it is. So this is one of the ways to promote your YouTube videos using Pinterest. And I'm going to stop here. I encourage you, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please don't hesitate or fail to subscribe to our channel. That's one way you can support us. Like the video as well as share it, because others might actually need it. It's a practical video. And if you want to join our ongoing class on how to make money through YouTube as a beginner, please contact me with this through the link on my content you're going to see on this video channel description. Do that and let's run together. I stop at this point. I thank you for your time.